So it's Tuesday, October 31st, 2023. Happy Halloween. And I just finished drinking my Amare happy juice not too long ago. I've been busy doing a job search, so I haven't had time to do my update yet. I finished drinking it over an hour ago, but I'm finally getting around to my update now. Since drinking it, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I have just the right amount of energy, and I feel wide awake. And another thing I'm finally starting to notice about drinking the Amare happy juice again is it's finally starting to make my skin glow. So I have a very nice complexion right now. As I said already, I'm doing a job search today, and I have a meeting with my worker today who is going to assist me in hopefully getting a job in tech. So that is in a couple hours, so I'm just trying to scramble and do a really quick job search before then, because she gave me homework to do and I haven't gotten it all done yet because I just haven't had the time. It's really hard to get stuff done when you have a child, especially when they refuse to go to bed at night. So that's been my problem, is my child refuses to go to bed at night, so it's really hard for me to get stuff done when they're sleeping. I do try, but I find I just don't have the time. And judging by past experiences and ending up in the hospital and whatnot, I can definitely say that I'm not somebody that is able to go without sleep anymore. From the time I was 12 years old to the time I was 23 years old, I essentially went without sleep at all because I just couldn't sleep. And during high school, I wouldn't be able to sleep for the entire school week, so what would happen is I would get home from school on Friday, and I would fall asleep, and then I wouldn't wake up till Monday morning because my body was making up for lack of sleep. And it was only a matter of time before it really messed me up, which it has. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.